Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to test Runna before committing to a subscription, you can start a free trial and explore the full training experience including personalized plans and guided workouts. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to start a free trial of Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what the Runna free trial includes. So starting a free trial gives you personalized running plans, guided interval workouts, progress tracking, watch and app integrations, full premium features. You get the same features as paid users, okay? Install the Runna app. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Runna, tap download, open the app. So make sure you install the official Runna app. It should be like this, okay? So now open the Runna app, tap sign up, enter your email, complete the account setup. You must have an account to start the trial, okay? So now answer the onboarding questions. Choose your your goal, 5k, 10k, half marathon. So select your running level, pick your training days. This creates your personalized plan. Now after setting your plan, tap start free trial. So choose a subscription option, monthly or yearly. Confirm using your app store or Google Play account. Complete the payment authorization. You won't be charged until the trial ends, okay? So confirm the trial activation. After confirming, your premium plan unlocks, all workouts become available. Your trial period begins immediately. So check the trial end date in your account settings. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.